How you guys doing? What's up? What's up? 1, 2, 3 people watching. I need to shield the channel video. Hi Dish, homeboy. How you doing? Hi guys, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, what do we do now? I was watching this XRP move, guys. I was watching this XRP move. That's like 30% to the upside in 26 minutes. 26% upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. 26%. And the downside, 15% in less than 5 minutes. Like, the volatility is crazy. Nervous time, let's enjoy the party. Yeah, this is the party time now. Bro, what do we know? I don't know. Hey man, it's time we jump the boat. I don't know, man. I don't know. My friend is merging acquisitions through Bitcoin would never go below 50k again. After I told him 2030 we will be reaccumulating shares of a lifetime. Maybe it is. You know, I was just watching the Ethereum Classic. Where is Ethereum Classic? Here's Ethereum Classic. Okay, we gotta look at it a little bit. I was watching Ethereum Classic, right? And I was looking at what's happening right over here right now. Now this might on the weekly chart, right, on the weekly chart, and you can see here that on weekly chart we are hitting the 10 moving average, right? But if you look at the previous, this is actually bad. Wait, ETC USD. We need something with more data. ETC USD, maybe Planex. Yeah, it's okay, fine. So you can see here in 2017, right? We had a big pump and then we had a correction, right? And the correction was something like 64%. And right now we are actually at what's that? 67%. So they are the kind of same, but the difference is on this one over here we went down to the 50 moving average. Right now we are 64% down and we are not even on we are not even sitting on the 10 moving average. So you know, it's quite a big difference. It's quite a big difference. Yeah. So what's gonna Bitcoin is down 30% in a day. That's insane, guys. That's insane. I'm still bullish on VeChain. Let's see what VeChain is doing, man. Let's see what VeChain is doing. I'm glad you can keep up the optimism, man. I admire that. It's down 58%. Right now it's down minus 80. But for the day it was down 75%. This is insane. These are some insane numbers. I don't know what's happening. I never seen these things before. Like 50% on everything in a day. 50%. BDD, please BDT. What's happening? I just did video BTT. Like it's going crazy. BDD as well. Like nobody wants to watch my videos right now. I use the worst thumbnail ever. Let's see what's happening with BTT. Where's BTT? There's BTT. Yeah, BTT is not as bad as VeChain. VeChain is all the way down at 74%, somewhere down here. Cardano 1. Where's the bottom? I don't know, man. Where's the bottom is? Let's see where the bottom. I thought the bottom was at 38,000. We broke that like, you know, we broke that like crazy. I thought this was the, now we have this next next support at 32,000 that might actually hold. If not, then we have the 50 moving average. So that's what we're looking. We are looking at these three targets. This over here is actually quite devastating. Right now we have this 32 target support, and then we have the 50 moving average. The bottom is at null. Stay strong, everybody. Somebody said 20 cents today. I was like, yeah, sure, man, 20 cents, nice. If I can get in at Bitcoin at 20 cents, I'm gonna buy so much Bitcoin, man. Kako volim vidjeti, crveno je sve, kupujem, mrtav hladan. Hey man, if you can do that, like, and keep it cool, man, you know, you do. You see, we are right above 30. You know, there is probably some very nice gains possibility over here, right? Right now, this is 1 minute chart, guys, on Bitcoin 1 minute chart, and we got divergence on 1 minute chart, and there is possibility for nice gains, because if you are able to, like, this is 12%, downwards is 14%, and up is like something like 10%. If you can scalp this, like, if you know what you're doing, Bennett's Lenin can't add euro. The bottom is at 90,000. Where do you see 19,000, man? I don't see 90,000. How do you see 90,000? Where is the 90,000? Let's put a line on 90,000. See what these guys talking about. 19,000. Why 90,000? Is something special over there? Oh yeah, there's previous trading. That's previous. You think that's the bottom, man? I don't know. Maybe. But I don't know. I don't think we're gonna go today that far, man. That's like 55% today down. Anything can happen, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Shiba will hit zero, so let's see what Shiba is doing, because Shiba is actually on the wow, man. Shiba is dropping hard. 55% Shiba down. But Shiba is you know, Shiba is you know, meme coin, so I don't know. Pukli ko kokica. Tako. What do you think about the bottom? I don't know where the bottom is, man. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know. There was. Oh, we are pulling up. BTC pulling up. It's pulling up. It's pulling up from 29,000 to almost 34. What's that? Let's see. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is pulling up, guys. 5 minutes pulling up. Maybe this is the bottom. What's that? 30,000. Maybe it's 30,000. Maybe it's bottom. Let's go to the 1 minute chart, because you know, you never know these kind of things. You know, we failed the 20 moving average up here. We failed the 20 moving average here, here, and right now we don't know if we're gonna fail the 20 moving average on the 1 minute chart. But it's 1 minute chart, guys. It's 1 minute. You know what are you gonna go? Kad kupimo je lagon sam SSA, volim te na dobar odbor. U red, brat. The sky is falling, man. I hope. Can you check Dent, or curious what their bottoms are? Okay, you can get one. Let's do Dent, because Dent is right over here. 50,000. I don't know. Let's see what you have on Dent. Dent, you have. Let's clear this. This doesn't matter anymore. Dent, this looks like a very decent support at 0.0022, where this 50 moving average is. But let's see what we have on the daily. On the daily we have 200 moving average right up here, and we have also, yeah, it's in the ballpark area. Entire this trading area down here might actually be support, but we are there now. I think everything is hitting some kind of support. You know, it doesn't matter what you pick. Everything hitting some kind of support. But I'm interested. Yeah, look at this. It's getting above the 20 moving average on the 1 hourly chart, guys. It's getting above the 20 on the 1 hourly chart. Bitcoin is actually recovering, guys. This is over. We are going to the moon. Finish. Game over. Putting it longs. No, I'm just kidding. I have no idea. But it's 1 hourly chart, man. And this is the first time we actually managed to close above the 20 moving average on the 20 moving average since the drop over here. That was like 38,000, and then we dropped hard. We haven't been even close to the 20 moving average. This is the first time 20 moving average, so right now we are going for the 35 test and see if we can actually get above the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly chart. Bye. Will it go back to where it was? I have no idea, man. You know, technical analysis don't know where the price is gonna go. We only assume, or we don't do predictions. do probabilities. You know, each has a probability to do this and do that, and then you just figure out like what's most probable to happen. Right now, the most probable thing to happen is that it actually stabilize itself. Actually, most probable thing is getting some kind of pullback up here, where this is the bottom or not. It is extended like you know what from the moving averages up here. Look at it, like that extension is insane. You can also see this on the daily chart. On the right now we are sitting at some kind of 19 on the RSI. That's insane. Let's bring on my faithful little. Let's see. I want to see this. I want to see this. This has never happened before. This is the extension. This you can see here on this indicator down here. These kind of things. This happened before here. Corona dump. And right now this has never. This is not a normal dump, guys. This is not a normal dump. It's just crashing like crazy. Most likely when it rebound, people would just rush off to close their position to cut the lows. Yeah, that might be the rebound, and then you know, something happened. But we are down at 50%. This is still not done. This is still going, guys. This is still going. 5-minute chart is hitting the 10 moving average. Let's see 1-minute chart is getting to 50. It's gonna try it for 50. 1-hour chart is the most interesting one, you know, because that is where the action is sitting. I just sold my wife and kidney on their dark web for this dip. Yeah, maybe, man. If that works for you, why not? If that works for you. Prvo Musk, sada Kinezi. Yeah, the Musk actually pushed us kind of down, but I won't blame Musk. I just saw this very nice YouTube video from this guy, Ray. It's not Ray Dalio, it's, I don't know what it's called. He was talking about communities, how communities are gonna have a community-driven cryptocurrencies, and Musk's cryptocurrency-driven or community-driven cryptocurrency will be Dogecoin. So Musk is actually trying to make Dogecoin his, you know, because Musk has Tesla, Musk has SpaceX, and he has a lot of followers on Twitter. So all of these people are gonna use his currency of choice, and probably. Oh, we are breaking the 50 moving average. Look at us, guys. We gotta see this. This is the 50 moving average breaking. We are going back up. This is it. This is it, guys. 5-minute chart. Let's see 5-minute chart. Yeah, 5-minute chart breaking the 10 moving average. Yeah, maybe this was the dip, guys. Maybe this was the dip. Oh man, this was such an insane ride. Let's see right now on the 4-hour chart what's happening. Weekly chart, where we hit. Where am I? Will we able to recover up to 38,000? That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Let's clear up everything, put new lines up here so we can see this better. That's this one, and this we have to put down this one as well. These two lines. And where's my daily 200 moving average? There we go. Let's see on the 5-minute chart what's happening. We are on 5-minute chart right now. We are trying to go for the 20 moving average. 1 hourly, I think we won the 50. We won the 50 on the 1 hour, not 1 hourly, 1-minute chart. This is the first cycle I've ever invested in. I lost 4,000 overnight. If someone could please give me some insight if what I should sell now or hold. Is this the dawn of the crypto winter? It looks pretty bad, man. If you're asking for advice, you are digging too deep. I have heard that crypto will survive this bear market. Yeah, of course crypto will survive. Guys, listen to me. Crypto will survive. I mean, I don't think crypto will die. This is a cycle, right? Let's see. This is a cycle just like any other cycle. We are not done yet, right? When you zoom out, this is nothing, right? And you know, cycles happen. They will happen, but you have to understand that we might actually go into the bear market. Instead of buy more, anxiety is real. No sense because missing the bounce up would be only confirming the strategy. Yeah, XRP up to 30. Yeah, I'm thinking everything actually was You know, this might actually be quite good for crypto. This might actually be very good for crypto, because right now a lot of people panic sold. There was total flush out of all the weekends of all the panic sellers. Everybody flushed, everybody sold. Some things went down minus 70%. You know, but I think it just went too fast. I think it just went too fast, so I'm not quite sure. This might actually look like a double bottom on the 1 hourly chart, so whether this is or not depends. But it just went too fast. It just went too fast. So whether this is finished or not, it kind of depends. 20. Oh, look at his dump. Look at his dump, man. Look at his dump. That's 7% dump, guys. This is so volatile. This is 40% dump, then 7% dump. It did get above 1.5. Guys, I don't know, something is happening. I'm not quite sure what, but it is crazy. It is crazy. Can we check ADA? Man, it's the same thing with everything. There's so much. Let's look at the daily chart. I was hoping maybe ADA can hold 131 or something like that, or maybe get above the 1.65 line. But right now, I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. Buy, hodl, rinse, repeat. Could it go lower? Look, everything could go lower. Never say never, guys. In technical analysis, never say never. In crypto, never say never. When you think it cannot go higher, it goes higher. When you think it cannot go lower, it goes lower. Blood in the water, blood on the streets. Headphones are bringing BTC down. $5 from Sofian Kotob. I'm down 80k so far, but we are strong and holding. Sorry for the cheap donation, but you understand the situation. No easy way to get rich. I appreciate the donations. It is welcomed. I'm not complaining. Yeah, being 80k down is quite bad, man. It's quite bad. I've been there myself. I know how it's to lose a lot of money. So I cannot give you any tips on buying or selling. I'm sorry about that, you know, not a financial advice, you know. I'm just talking about what I think is going to happen with the market, and then you guys have to decide whether you're going to buy or sell, or do you do you, I do me, you know. That's how much I can help you with, you know. Right now, whether we are hitting the bottom or not, it might actually be some kind of bottom right over here, because things are actually picking a little bit up, but whether it is or not, I mean, any kind of 50% down during a day is kind of like extension to certain degrees. But you guys remember what happened during Corona dump as well, right? Let's see on the daily chart. Let's see the daily chart. This is Dow Jones Index, right? You remember the Corona dump? Like these are crazy moves, right? From the top up here to the bottom, it was 38%. So for Bitcoin, it's nothing, right? Bitcoin does 38% in a day, but these dumps were like 5 to 10% every day. Like you always think like, I cannot go any more down, and then you look at the moving averages as well, right? And the moving, you get extended from the moving, but it just keeps on dumping and dumping and dumping. So never say never, guys. Never say never. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know what's gonna happen. I hope Bitcoin can bounce back. Everybody hopes that, man. Everybody hopes Bitcoin can bounce back, but it looks terrible right now. It looks terrible. We're gonna see. Bitcoin controls the entire market, and everyone's saying otherwise is full of, you know what? Yeah. I've been saying it for a while now. You know, Bitcoin, people always say, yeah, altcoins and Bitcoin are not. What is it? Not correspond, but not correlated. And I'm like, maybe that was the case in 2017, but now they're pretty much correlated, you know. Overkill 7777 says, oh, 799. Thanks for covering the dips and for all the vids, mate. Ah, you're welcome, man. I think this is exciting. I get really excited. Dimitri Utras, $5 Canadian dollars. Probably good. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm down in everything, but I don't care. When it's over, I'm gonna dollar cost average and wait until the next bull market. If this is the bear, man. Good luck with that, man. I hope you do make it through the bear market, because that's painful. I've been through the bear market, guys, over here. I've been through the bear market. It is painful. I'm gonna tell you that. Like every dip feels like forever, and every upside you think you're gonna shoot, and you just never do. And over here, I actually capitulated over here. Can you believe that? I capitulated over here. I was like, fuck, you know, like, at one point it kind of gets to you emotionally, it gets to you, and you go like you know, you hodl, and at the end like you're like, you know, F this, you know. So you know, that's what bear market does to you. It just drains your soul completely. In the start it's fine, no problem, you know, you still got optimism, this can happen, that can happen, but sooner, soon, like, even this dip down here, like, yeah, it's fine, you see, we recovered back, then it goes down, recover back, but it gets to you, Ethereum might flip BTC here, I don't know, man. Ethereum is down 27%, Bitcoin is down 20%, so, you know. Although I do think Ethereum has a chance to flip Bitcoin, and there's a real possibility for that. I don't know if that's gonna be right now. Do the intro. Bam! The late adopter. Yeah, why not? Oh, wrong screen. Why doesn't it go as fast as it goes down? Why doesn't it go? It goes up as fast as it goes down. And did you see? Look at the 1 minute chart, man. Look at this move up. Guys, head and shoulders. You think it's gonna happen? Are we having head and shoulders, guys? No, don't go there. Guys, we are having head and shoulders. Look at this, guys, we are having... Oh my god, I'm excited now, I'm so excited. We might actually be hitting the bottom. Where is my head and shoulder? There is head and shoulders. Maybe somewhere here. Look at this, guys, it's happening. But we are not gonna use the wicks up here. Wait. Head and shoulders. I gotta do this fast before it's broken. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Head and shoulders. We got it. We safe, guys. We safe. Look at this. And then you take the distance between head and shoulders. The breakup. We are going back to 40k, guys. We are going back to 40k. That's it. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't actually know, but it's 1 hourly, 1 minute chart, you know. It's 1 minute. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. What? Coin market cap is down. Yeah, probably people are panicking totally right now. Are we really doing the intro every time? Yeah, I'm doing the intro every time. It's very easy, just like bam, the late adopter. You know, it's a little bit, it's fun, you know, it's fun. Oh, wrong screen again. Yeah, delusional. Yeah, I'm a little bit delusional, man. 80k Bitcoin tomorrow. Why not, man? Maybe we can get it. So basically on 1 hour chart, we are following. If we want to break the downtrend, this is the trend to break right now, give or take. Let's put something like this, yeah. Okay, so you see, guys, we have some kind of downtrend. Until this line is broken, we are not out of the dip yet. Now I know why the late adopter intro sometimes sounds different alone. Yeah. Don't panic, don't worry, be happy. You know, it's easy being happy if you're not in the market. When you are looking at your cash getting burned, like... And it seems like it's like a bottomless pit, you know, it seems like it's going down crazy levels. The peak and valleys are more expected. The latest decline with the China stand couldn't be a strategic move to buy cheaper. Maybe. But I've noticed that once you hit some kind of tops, even with Tesla hits some kind of tops, everything, then you're gonna see a lot of FUD coming out. Like, it's like coordinated FUD, you know. Binance laying CAD euro to buy. Yeah, Binance might like right now everybody's panic selling, guys. Everybody's panic selling. Like, weekends are really panic selling. So that's why I'm thinking we might have a pull to the upside. Now, whether that's gonna come or not, it kind of depends. I'm out of water. Sir, what if we reach minus 100%? I'm buying if we reach minus 100%. If Binance, the biggest exchange in the world, doesn't allow to buy any crypto during the dip, how close is it to market manipulation? Yeah, I'm pretty sure these big exchanges and big guys have hands in each other's pockets. So I'm thinking they do talk with each other, you know, they are coordinating a lot of stuff. I haven't been on Binance today, so I don't know how it is, but I was thinking maybe buying the dip, like over here I was thinking like, not on here on XRP actually. on XRP. I was thinking getting into it, but it goes so fast, like, you know, what goes, and I'm not that good of a scalper, you know. You can scalp this if you are good to, if you are good to scalping, you can scalp this. Go ahead, guys. We are 1,200 people here, and I have 115 likes. How am I gonna get more people in here and more subs if you don't like the video? Come on, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I tried the tactics yesterday on XRP video. I told everybody to, hey guys, like the video, because, you know, YouTube algorithm likes that, and people are gonna watch the XRP video, and I'm gonna feel motivated to make more XRP videos. So I got tons of likes on the XRP video, right? And like 600 likes, something like that, compared to how many views. But did it perform any better? No. So I'm thinking that likes don't have that much effect on the YouTube algorithm. What I'm thinking actually has the most effect on YouTube algorithm is actually actual watch time. So when I have a video around 8-9 minutes, my usual watch time is around 3 minutes 30 seconds, average watch time. But if I get like 4 minutes plus watch time on an 8-9 minutes video, I can get pretty decent views and what do you call it? And YouTube will suggest my video to other people. So watch time is a lot more important than actual likes. The comments, yeah, maybe the comments also. I've seen the, but you know, on yesterday's XRP video there was so many comments and so many likes, but the video just performed like usual, you know, like usual. I haven't seen any change in the video. I asked people like to do some comments, to write down comments and to like the video, but it didn't perform. But watch time, actual watch time, the longer you watch the video, the better it is. So that's only, I think that's the #1 important aspect of the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, the comments plus watch time are the two biggest factors. Been told this from a lot of friends. Yeah, watch time, maybe the comments. I haven't been sure, but but likes, subscribe, notification bell. The late adopter is well worth it. Thanks, guys. Banana. Do the intro again. Yeah, nah, we did it like 2 times. I cannot do it 50 times, man. The real bull market starts now. Maybe. I'm thinking on the 1 minute chart. If we break this, this might also be the head and shoulders. Actually, that's happening right now. Something like this, right? Yeah, this might actually be the head and shoulders. There we go, guys. We got a head and shoulders, so we are actually going to the moon right now. Once we break this line, that the 40 is the target. Do you guys believe in technical analysis? I'm gonna start technical analysis course. Do you guys believe in technical analysis? Do you believe that head and shoulders are actually having some kind of targets? Do you believe in the meme lines? The crypto market is crashing deep. Zero we reach. No, right now we are recovering. We have been down to 50%. Right now we are recovering. How far we're gonna recover? It depends. Other pumping up. Yeah, everything is technically pumping. I mean, you know, TIA is helpful. Yeah, of course it's helpful. Like, I always tell people, like, if you don't have technical analysis, how are you gonna buy and sell? How do you know that we are hitting some kind of button? Like his video boss, he's the best. Yeah, do a course on tech analysis. Yeah, soon, it's coming. Damn, did we hit 29k? Did we hit 29k? Yeah, we actually did hit, no, it was 29, yeah, 29, okay. Look at it, guys, it's going, this is a retest on 1 minute chart. I don't know if 1 minute chart is gonna be helpful. It can happen, guys, it can happen. We can get back above like to 40,000 now on just watching the 1 minute chart, guys. Watching the 1 minute chart, we got head and shoulders. We're gonna see what's going on with Cardano. What's going on with Cardano? Cardano is 26%. Cardano is just, it's recovering, guys. It's recovering. I think that was the dip, guys. I think that was the dip. Something's gonna happen right now. Maybe we're gonna continue down again, but look at this recovery, guys. If you bought down here, you would have made 60%. The volatility is insane. 60% on Cardano. Are you guys insane? 60%. We went up 60%. If you bought the bottom down here, 60% back up. Is this the flush out or something? I don't know. My dog panic sold all shit coins. I bought it at 2k. What about VeChain? I don't know. What about VeChain, man? VeChain was down 74%. Let's see how VeChain is recovering. VeChain, where's VeChain? Here's VeChain. Let's see VeChain. VeChain is up 140%. Guys, this is insane. What's happening? 140% recovery. Come on, do the intro just one more time. Okay, man, since you, bam, the late adopter. There we go. Thanks for the $5, man. I appreciate it. I'll take anything now. I just missed 140% pump, guys. I just missed 140% pumps. While everybody's talking how much money they're losing, I missed 140% pump because I was on this this stream doing this instead of be sitting there on Binance trying to buy the dip. Yeah, the intro is fine, man. The intro is fine. I tried several other kind of intros, you know, and they never got the kind of response this kind of. It's not the best kind of intro, but it's something, you know. It gets attention, so why not keep it? Damn, man, I have fun losing so much money. Look at this, guys. It's insane. It's insane. Bitcoin only 70% right now. Let's see. Go back to our 1 minute chart. It's struggling to get this head and shoulders going. It's struggling to get head and shoulders. This might be some kind of pullback on a 1 minute chart. I'm really interested to see if this head and shoulders is gonna play out. Sig tumbling chief, yeah, the tumbling is actually from a couple of days ago when we also had a dump. I just didn't have time to make new tumbling, so I was like, yeah, let's use whatever we have right now. Exchanges are not allowing buy sell. Look at Coinbase, of course, the prices are fakely pumped. Might be. I'm not quite sure what's happening. How do you like the $400 Ethereum gas fees this morning? Let me never hear about Ethereum. Is the Ethereum gas fees $400? I gotta check this, guys. ETH gas fees. Right now, let's see. Ethereum gas station. Trader fast 460. Huh? Standard is one way, trader 465. How much is 465 Gwei? How much is 465 Gwei? How much is that? I lost 100k. Is that 100k or 10k? I can see it. 10,000. Yeah, man, in Matic bought yesterday. Yeah, man, that's terrible. I feel for you, man. I've been there. I'm telling you guys, I've been there. I lost a lot of money. I've been liquidated before. I know how it feels. I know how it feels when you lose a ton of money, and it was a ton of money. I can tell you that it was a ton of money. So it's not a good feeling. So that made me stop actually totally leverage trading. So I don't wanna shield the Bybit links. I don't wanna you know, tell people to mark margin trade or anything like that. Leverage, like it's such a ride. There is no way you can survive with leverage this over here. Look at this. Doesn't matter what you do. This is down 10%, then it goes up 11%, then it goes down 18%, then it goes up 20%, then it goes down 7%, and right now it's up 6%, and that's in span of how many minutes? In 48 minutes. If you do leverage, you are getting wrecked both up and down. It doesn't matter what you do. This is the most enjoyable live ever. Yeah, we're trying to have fun, man. We're trying to have fun. Like, we cannot cry right now. Like, crying, that we are over with crying. Right now we are just having fun and looking if you can get this head and shoulders to play out on 1 minute chart. You call that live. Brilliant. The head and shoulders, yeah. The head and shoulders, yeah, maybe. I'm crying with my portfolio, but your live is so entertaining. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Like, I'm telling you guys, the crying part is over here. I'll show you where the crying part is. This is the crying part. Like, you can cry up here, like, but here people are just capitulating, and your all emotion goes out of the window, and like, you know, F this, you know, and then you relax. I know that because I was through that. I had already that experience several times, and not only in the bear market, in the bull market as well. If you forget to stop loss, let's say you do some kind of trade and you go up, right? And your trade goes against you and suddenly starts going down, and you're like, it's okay, it's gonna reverse, but it doesn't reverse and it goes a little bit more down. So you're like, nah, it's fine, no problem, man. I'll just wait it out. It's gonna reverse, but it keeps on dripping down, and you're like, oi, what's gonna happen? Damn, you know, it's continuing, it's dripping even more down, and you're like, yeah, but this can happen, but it doesn't happen. It's continuing going down, and then it drops totally, like 10% down, and you're like, You know, and then like whatever happens, it happens. Like you kind of admit to yourself like this is okay at one point. Safe moon to the moon. Is safe moon actually going up? I don't have it on the charts. Qcoin logging me out. I can get back in. Yeah, exchanges. Everybody is trying right now to get into the exchanges to panic sell, and they don't know how to handle it. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart and see what's actually happening up here. Are we gonna get back to the, what's that, 141 here? That's our target, 141. Are we gonna get back up? Should I settle a hold? Who knows, man? Who knows if you're gonna sell a hold? How much will Doge go up now? Doge, I mean, see, it was down like 50%. It was down 50%. This is insane. 68% up. Guys, I'm not saying anything, and you know, everybody was thinking this is the bear market, right? Everybody was thinking this is the bear, but what if this was actually just the biggest flush out that you have ever seen, biggest fake out, biggest bear trap you have ever seen in your life, and right now we might actually be on our way to 100,000. What if that's the case? What if that's the case? Because it's insane. I've never seen something like this. 50% down on a day. Like okay, here might actually that happen. I don't know how much this dump was. That's yeah, that's 40%. That was quite big. And here we had some quite terrible dumps, but nothing like this. Or maybe there was. I don't remember. It's so long ago. Let's see how big were these dumps. Yeah, this is a 30% dump. And the pullback was actually 20%. Yeah, there were a couple of dumps. There were a couple of big dumps. Why doesn't it work? Wait, 30% there as well. Yeah, so basically this is actually quite normal. I know, guys, but technically this is normal. Right now we are down, yeah, 30% and we are up 20%. So yeah, this is normal Bitcoin movement, guys. I'm sorry, but this is normal Bitcoin movement. Not much we can do about this. I was hoping this might actually be some kind of new paradigm. But the 1 hourly chart is actually playing out. The head and shoulders playing out to the 41,000. So we might have something there. Click shift to measure how much. Click shift. Shift click. Oh, look at that. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for the tip. I didn't know that. I'm not used to doing it like this, but yeah, that's nice because I don't have to go there, click here, and then pull it down here. Yeah, thanks for tip, man. Guys, if you press shift while you are on trading view, then you can measure without going to clicking the measuring tool. Nice tip. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I like those kind of things. It helps me be faster on the charts. Damn, spend all my money on dips. What's this sign over here? Data problem. What kind of data problem are you having? I don't know if you can see this, but above here it says data problem. When you hover about it, it says data problem. Intro, please. Okay, let's do intro. Late adopter. Not this one. God damn it, I always press the wrong one. Let's see see if the V formation will play out. W button formation on what time frame? Time frames are important in technical analysis. Bitfavor shut off deposits. Late adopter t-shirts. Yeah, I was thinking, man, but I don't know what I'm gonna put on t-shirts, man. Lol on the intro. It's real. Yeah, it's real. That is, yeah, man. Maybe. if you do inverse, some kind of no, not like this. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna go there. One more dip is coming. You think one more dip is coming? You think? Let's see 5 minute chart, man. Let's see 5 minute chart. 5 minute charts look like it's recovering. Like, you know what? Let's see. We need our moving averages, guys. We need our moving averages because right now we managed to hit break the 20 moving average on the 5 minute chart and the 50 moving average on the 5 minute chart. Right now getting rejected by the 50 moving average on the 5 minute chart. So right now, look at this. It goes too fast. It goes so fast, man. It goes so fast. Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. The 1 minute chart is actually holding up, no problem guys. Until 1 minute chart goes down below the line again, we're good. So what we might actually have here right now is actually a retest on the line. We might have a retest. I was thinking this is the retest, but we might actually have some kind of bigger retest on the line. We might. Nobody knows what's actually happening, but we might have a retest. Are there some moving averages here that we might... Yeah, we might also stop here at 10, 20 or 50 moving averages. So all of these supports are actually legit. Who sold a noob? Taking my freedom shares to 0 if I have to. One more dip. Yeah, everybody, you know the problem right now. Now everybody saw the dips, right? Everybody saw the dips. Everybody saw this exam. So everybody's like, please go down one more time to 0.76 on XRP so I can buy the dip. Look at this, man. 50%. And Cardano is looking extreme, man. Cardano is having some 57%. Whoa, wait. Didn't Cardano do 140%? What have we been measuring, guys? Who did 140%? Did I fake measure something? I think I might have fake measured something. I'm not quite sure what, but yeah, everybody wants us to go back to the, you know, this is Atom. Everybody wants us go back down. I'm going to try to do this shifting. Yeah, this is 63%. EDA is 55%. 1 inch. Pull 30%. Let's see some BSV, not that I care about BSV, but 24%. Let's see Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is up 90%. So I understand you guys. Okay, VeChain. VeChain was VeChain. Let's see VeChain. Nah, yeah, VeChain is 140%. God damn it. Yeah, I understand why you want another dip, guys. I understand why you want another dip. Unfortunately, I'm not quite sure that's gonna happen or not. But yeah, that would be exciting. That would be exciting. VeChain was 150. Good deal by Shiba. You think Shiba is gonna do well? I don't have Shiba on my thing, so I gotta open it up here and pull next. How much? Yeah, the dip on Shiba is not that big, man. 50%. Alright, that's good, man. That's good. By Shiba. Maybe everybody wants to buy the dip. Let's see BNB. BNB don't have that big a dip. 34% only. Is the good time to enter the market, or does it have another dip from your analysis? You know, I cannot tell you when to get in or out, but I'm gonna tell you that it's very volatile. So if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know technical analysis, you're not very good at buying dips or scalping or something like that, it's probably a better idea to wait until the volatility dies out, although you might miss some kind of gains, but you also might save you losses, right? If you don't know what you're doing, getting in during volatility is not very advisable. I just showed everybody that here right now everybody is getting wrecked. Everybody is getting wrecked. If you are leverage trading, everybody is getting wrecked. This is the 12% dip. This is the 12% pump. Then you have 16% dip again, and then you have 20% pump. So if you are doing leverage with any kind of like 5% leverage, you're probably gonna get liquidated both ways. So everybody got liquidated over here. Sofan Koman gave me $10. I think me a little bit richer. Good thing I bought some 1,000 ADA 10 minutes ago. This is nerve-wracking. What the F is going on? Hell noob, no. I don't want another dip. How many dips will I buy? Well, if you bought the dip, good for you, man, but I don't know how many dips are gonna come. Right now we are looking to retest this on the 1 minute chart. You know, 1 minute chart, if for live streams, 1 minute chart is the best chart. Now I always tell my patrons and everybody else, don't look at 1 minute chart, don't look at 5 minute chart. If you want to trade and be investor, like look at daily, weekly chart. Weekly charts are actually the best. If you want to be investor, like you want to invest long term, always look at the weekly chart. So one day during the week, on Monday, you can come out to the trading view. You can see what's going on and decide if you're gonna add to your position or remove to a position. But if you just come look at the chart once a week, you're gonna do a lot better. You know, I know it would be bad like if you like come back and you see a 50% drop once a week. BTT, everybody's screaming BTT. I don't know why, but let's see what's happening with BTT. BTT is it recovering? It's just doing 33% recovery. What worst X-chat outage every is Voyager? Worst exchange outage every is. Are you trading on Voyager, guy? Don't panic, hodl. Let's see what's happening here on 1-minute chart. We're going back to our friendly 1-minute chart. You can see here it's getting some kind of support. Maybe we drew the line. Maybe the line is bad, guys. Maybe the line is bad. Maybe that's why we are not getting the hit on the line. We have to redraw the line, and that's the good thing about technical analysis. You can always redraw the lines. So maybe this is the line, and maybe it should go something like this. Maybe, yeah, this is the better. There we go, guys. We got all of the hits, you can see here we are actually, you might be asking, but man, right now we're gonna learn a little bit technical analysis. We are riding the support here. We broke the support. We tested resistance down, resistance down, resistance down, resistance, broke it, testing as support. So this is quite good line. We got new line, guys. This is a lot better line. We're gonna keep this line because this line confirms it as support, as a resistance to resistance to resistance, and this is actually a support line and not above here. And you can see there, you know, right now we have really good line. If this is the retest on the line, that means that right now we should actually pump really hard. If you don't pump really hard, guys, I don't know what to tell you, like we are going down to zero or something like that, because Elon Musk is a robot. That's why he doesn't care if everyone gets broke. Nah, man, I don't know. I think he has bigger plan for Dogecoin, so we're just gonna see. So you recommend to get it? I don't recommend anything, man. I recommend everybody, if you don't know what you're doing, to stay out of the market for a while until the volatility is never good to trade. The best times to get in and out is when there is zero volatility, like very low volatility, because then you are not emotional panic buying. God, I love you. Thanks, man. I love you too, man. That is the future. Maybe I think there is a lot of crypto that are future, but you cannot when there is too much supply coming into the market, you know, when too much selling going on, yeah, it doesn't matter how good a project is, it's gonna go down, you know. Should we hold to our cryptos? Is there any hope delayed adapter? I cannot tell you that, man. Like, I can tell you what I think is gonna happen, and what I think is gonna happen right now, it's gonna stabilize itself somewhere around here. I don't know where. It's gonna stabilize itself over here, but on the overall picture, I'm thinking we might actually continue tumbling down. I don't see it getting back above the line. If you want me to say getting back, then we have to get above this line up here. Before we get above this line up here, like there is no hope. This is downtrend line, and the only way we are gonna get back in an uptrend is if we break the line. But right now we are having some big nice pullbacks, and they are extremely nice, and we just had a retest on the line and we are pulling back. So, you know, do you think the resistance will break back to the new low in hourly? Do you think the resistance will break back to the new low in hourly chart? Let's see hourly chart. Resistance. The way I drew resistances, guys, I had three resistances, supports over here. One, but you're asking, but we're gonna get to that. And then there was two, and my moving averages are not showing up on the screen. Yeah, it's all the way down there. Oh, this is weekly, sorry, this is weekly. And this one up here at 200 moving average. Where is the weekly moving average? There is no weekly moving. So these are supports actually. So if we start going back up, let's see this on the maybe hourly chart or something like that. If we start going back up, we have some kind of, because we, right now, let's see this on the 30-minute charts. I can explain to you. Maybe 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart is fine. But then we cannot use these moving averages. So if we start going back up, we have the resistance at these two lines, and these two lines are sitting right now 38,150 and 39,750. So you might get rejected by them. But if we get back, but right now our target is 41,000 because of the head and shoulders on the 1-minute chart. Whether that's going to happen or not, we're going to see that. But we do have some kind of resistance to the upside. And if we look at the hourly chart as well, we might actually just clean up this hourly chart. We have the resistance here at 92,200 also. That's pretty big. If we can get above that, that's the first step. But if we want to continue up, then we have to get above 40,465, and that's all the way up here. But remember the number 40,426, right? And if we go back to our head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour chart, you can see that the target is actually above that. So it might actually happen. We might actually get above some certain kind of resistances that will stabilize the market for at least a little while before we actually continue dumping or go through some kind of consolidation phase on the daily chart frame. Will we test the 30k low point again? Maybe not. I don't know, man. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Music died out. We have to bring back the music. There we go. Now we're back to the party. To the next month, 3 trillion coin market, remember. You think? Man, I hope you're right. Guys, you might not be aware of it, but I actually hope, really hope that this might actually not be but the top, and that we are gonna go higher up. I'm really hoping that, because right now this is killing my channel, you know. But no, yeah, for other reasons as well. Let's get back to 1 hourly chart and see what's actually happening up here. XRP is going back up, man. XRP is going back up. Everything is going back up. We had maximum pain down here, maximum sell-off. What's that? Selling climax. Maybe we should do. Maybe this is some kind of a Wyckoff's accumulation phase going on. So this is some kind of a preliminary support down here, right? And then you have this selling climax at the bottom down here, right? And this is the first. Yeah, but this should be yellow. And this is the first. This is the automatic response up there. And then you have the selling test, isn't it? Selling second test, and then you have some other things over here. So you can see here, guys. Okay, Hashim, Shad, you have to chill with the spam, man. Seriously, not fun. Yeah, I don't mind people repeating the thing, you know, but spam is never nice. And I don't want to put chat in the slow mode because that's boring. You know, next 6 months. Check out Kusama. Yeah, Kusama is right over here, man. Minus 32%. What's happening with Kusama? What the? Guys, I think we found winner. Kusama is winning over WeChain, guys. WeChain is 50. No, sorry, WeChain. We're gonna keep on doing this. Wait. We gotta add. We're gonna put WeChain here and Kusama there. No, this is WeChain. Okay, Kusama here. There we go. Now we can compare them and see which one wins. Now we get a race, guys. And changes are kaput. Yeah, probably, man. I think a lot of people just went totally crazy, ballistic on everything. 60% WeChain. No, this is 4 hours. Let's see daily. We want to know daily. Daily 151. And here the daily is at 147. So technically WeChain is winning. 20 svenska kronor. Price target for XRP. Where do I need to close? Sorry, man, I cannot help you. You cannot ask me during these volatile times where the price target for something is, man. It's insane. Where do you need to close? Let's do this, clear up everything. We had on XRP, we had let's just go back and try to get my lines back. I think I lost all the lines. Yeah, it doesn't matter. XRP. Down here, somewhere around there. If you close below the line, outside of the triangle, man, it's quite terrible. That doesn't matter how you look at it, it's quite terrible. But it's quite terrible either way, because you can see Bitcoin is actually dropping like 70% down right now. It's going crazy, some crazy levels. What's gonna happen? We don't know. So you have to understand, you either hodl through bear market or you know, you capitulate at one point. This is a fake down, relax. Yeah, it might be fake. Yeah, that's what I was telling people. This might actually be a fake bear. What do we call it? Bear trap. A bear trap happening, like biggest bear trap ever. we're just going down, bear trap, and just continue going up. That might be the case, but we don't know. And guys have to understand that assumptions are terrible in technical analysis. You never want to assume anything, because assuming things is gonna make you lose money. If you assume something without any basis in technical analysis or something else, you're gonna lose money. Don't assume things. Can we say that 2017 December is happening again? It looks like it, man. It looks like, I just checked like on the daily on here, like this was a wait, no, how did I do this? This was 30% drop and 18, 19, 20% pump, right? And in 2017 we had several of those, right? Here's the first one, right on the start. That's a 30% drop, 29% drop, and then you have 21% up, right? But the good thing is it continues going up from there. So right now we might actually get some kind of relief rally up here, right? And then continue going down. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, because right now we just had a flush out of everything. So how this is gonna play out, it kind of depends, but let's go back to 1 minute chart to see what's actually happening here. Double test on the support, maybe. XRP, XRP, XRP. If people lose money in such a way, do you believe people will come in this market again, or these exchanges find new losers? If people lose money, they will probably get out, just like they did in 2017. Like once you get into bear market, people just get so. In the start, everybody's optimistic. Yeah, I can turn around. Everybody else is optimistic. Yeah, it can turn around. We can still continue going up and whatever, not right. But after a while, they still soon start capitulating and start like saying, I don't want to be here anymore, because people came to Bitcoin to get some fast gains, and right now fast gains are looking to be like 4 years long. So everybody's gonna throw away the money and get away from crypto. But in 4 years, the same people will come back, just like they did right now. Alt dip incoming, Miota. What's happening, Iota? I don't have Iota here. Alts are going down right now. Are they? Let's see XRP. No, it's just a small pullback. Just a small pullback, guys. No problem. Just a small pullback. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pullback definitely. But until we get past these kind of levels down here, or even this level up here. If you go past this level down here, then actually down here, if you go past this level down here, then we might actually retest this one. If you go out here, it's gonna look bad. It's gonna look very, very bad. BTC pulling them down. Yeah, just a little bit. BTC is not done yet, but it's looking for the retest support for the second time. This is the first test. This is the second test. If this holds, then we might actually continue going up. We haven't been looking that much on the technical aspect and what's gonna happen, but you know. Ethereum update, what's happening with Ethereum? Minus 30%. Some people are saying that Ethereum might actually overtake Bitcoin. I'm not quite sure about that, man. Right now, Bitcoin is down minus 13%, while Bitcoin is only down 10%. So we're gonna see, but 23% up Ethereum. Yeah, it might actually find some kind of support here at 100 moving average. Bless you. Yeah, thanks, man. It's not Corona, it's just a cold. You know, Chili's. What's happening with Chili's, guys? What's happening with Chili's? Where is Chili's? Minus 39%. Yeah, it went down to the 200 moving average on the daily chart. So right now it's pulling back up a little bit, something like 60% up. But the support for the Chili's, where should support be? On the daily, it has something over here. So maybe it's looking to get back up there. That might be it. We don't actually know. You know, these things are really hard in the market. And it's really hard for my channel as well, because everybody wants to go long, everybody wants to pump the price, everybody wants to, you know, hope that we are gonna get some kind of recovery, something happens, some kind of news will gonna come and push up, but everything continues bleeding, and everybody's slowly losing the faith. That cat bouncing, yeah, but that, I don't know, man. I don't think Bitcoin can go down much further, guys. I don't think Bitcoin... Oh, we are breaking the support. We are breaking the support over here, guys. We are breaking the support officially. We are below the moving averages again on the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart is gonna kill us, guys. I have to be honest with you guys. I haven't seen anything like this before, because in 2017 I wasn't that proficient in the technical analysis, so I haven't really been analyzing what's happening while it was happening. I was just feeling it, like a lot of you are doing right now. You are just feeling the pain, and that's what I was doing in 2017. But right now I can actually see what's happening from you know, minute to minute, hour to hour, day by day. We are in the bear market or consolidation only. It's you know, the arguments for the bear market are strongest than for consolidation, but if it is consolidation, then all good. But the arguments for the bear market are actually stronger. Now anything can happen, and we can actually pump. So like I'm telling you guys, although we are down, although this looks like a flash out, although it seems like a 2017 all over again, we can get support, we can go higher up. It doesn't look good, but it can happen, you know. But I am not a market cycle analyst, so I'm quite bad in knowing actually how the market cycle works. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at small time frames, daily, 4 hourly. I'm looking at the next move, next move, next move. So I know if the next move is going to be on the downside or upside, if something looks bullish or bearish. Right now everything looks bearish, that's what I know. But as soon as the technicals change, then I'm going to be bullish. I'm not going to say we're going to go to 100,000, but I'm going to be bullish, and I'm going to say we are bullish. But right now we are bearish. Let's bring back the 1 minute chart, and we gotta get to remove the. There we go. Is broken off to support in 1 minute chart even interesting or not? It's 1 minute chart, man. It's guys, we are looking at what minute chart because it's interesting for the live stream. Because you know, something is happening. You don't want to be looking at a weekly chart for the live stream. But it's interesting, we got something to watch for, but it's not really that important, because these things break really fast. You can see here we went up to some kind of a resistance up here, and right now tumbling back down. Whether this is gonna hold or not, we are below all the moving averages, but it's 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart doesn't matter, guys. 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart doesn't matter. The only thing we want to know is how it's going to handle on the daily chart and on the weekly chart. Daily and weekly matters, everything else doesn't matter. Everything else is for fun and giggles. 5 minute chart looks like it's holding our line, by the way, guys. 5 minute chart looks like it's holding. But let's keep on watching the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart technically is also holding, because this is actually rejection. This is actually confirmation of the support. So this is actually good. And right now we are climbing above the moving averages, so that's also very good. It stole our money. Exchanges. China bans finance firms from servicing crypto transaction. Yeah, but I think it's just fun, you know. Major institution withdrawing the money from Bitcoin today and investing in gold, and that's one of the big reasons. Yeah, what are they doing with their money? It's kind of hard to tell, but they are definitely withdrawing. Unfollow Elon Musk hashtag world trend. I don't know. Everybody owning Dogecoin are not gonna unfollow Elon Musk. But maybe they will unfollow Elon Musk, because Dogecoin right now is down by 30%. So Dogecoin is also suffering. So let's see here. Why are my things not working? Nah. Hey, what happened to my... I don't want to draw it again, seriously. Oh, there is it, there it is. It just... trading view is very slow, so I thought it was gone. Right now it's back. I lost 500 dinars. I think people are losing all already. We are being manipulated. Yes, we are. And about manipulation, guys, I had a Bitcoin video today about Wyckoff distribution, accumulation, reaccumulation, and I was telling people how this is a normal thing to do. And you have to understand, all markets are manipulated. Everything is manipulated. And as soon as you understand it and accept that it's a fact of life, this is a fact of life. as a fact of like that everything is manipulated, everything, absolutely everything, then you can incorporate that into your analysis and you're gonna live a lot happier life. You're not gonna be mad about something that's normal and natural. Manipulation is natural. Because I told, if you remove all the institutions and hedge funds and everybody else that are manipulating the markets, who is gonna manipulate the market? It's gonna be me and you. Because I will want to buy maybe low, then I will FUD the market, and you wanna maybe sell high, so you're gonna try to shield the market, you know. So we are gonna be new manipulators. You cannot remove manipulation from any kind of markets. Call Elon and tell him to buy now, as he expects. Thoughts on ADA? ADA is having a huge recovery. Whether it's gonna hold or not, it depends. It's like, no, yeah, ADA is having 55. No, it's VeChain that had like 140%. Start of Wyckoff on ETH. I don't think ETH is gonna have Wyckoff. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that this is also some kind of a distribution phase that people haven't realized. And this pump over here is because all of the money was flowing from the Bitcoin in, and right now it's just falling down. I think this was actually distribution on Bitcoin, not on Bitcoin. Sorry, this Cardano. God, here on Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum doesn't have it. Sorry. Or if I think that Ethereum might have a distribution up here, the crown that people are calling. I know that people are hoping for that because we are gonna hit these kind of new highs, but I'm not gonna assume that. Right now, only thing I'm doing is looking at 1 minute chart and see if you can get back this pile of moving averages above it. If right now we're getting above it, cannot getting rejected. If you can get above the moving averages, then we might actually continue upwards. Wake me up in a month's time. I think you're gonna need maybe like 6 to 12 months nap. Thoughts on Matic? I was always telling that Matic is overbought and it's very high, but it just continued going up. But it didn't. Let me see the dump. Wow, what's this? 74% up. Yeah, it dumped really hard, man. It dumped like crazy. I don't know how much today, but 65%, something like that, crazy. Yeah, everything dumped like crazy. Coinbase and Voyager just let me deposit and buy. Nice. Bear market incoming. Maybe. Matic. Why am I having all the depressing music on my... I want some party music. I think this is a party time, guys. Do you think this works? Starts as Binance XRP, Coinbase XRP, Coinbase USD, Binance USD, then back Binance a repeat lot. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that, man. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. Bear reality. I think people are starting to realize it. Are there still enough people to buy crypto? I don't think so. That's also another thing that I think that's working against crypto right now. It's like there's nobody else to buy. Everybody I know bought, even the kids bought. And then people are talking how their co-workers were talking about Dogecoin and meme coins. And somebody was saying that somewhere in London, in some workplace, everybody was talking about SafeMoon and stuff like that. And people, like, who's gonna buy? Especially when you scare them with these kind of dips at 60%. Nobody's gonna come back and say, oh my god, you had like 60% dip, I'm not gonna buy that. So I'm thinking like the euphoria phase is finished, and right now people are stuck on the top with big losses, and they are trying to convince themselves, trying to give themselves some kind of hopium that we are gonna go up. And I'm saying that might be the case, but you also have to prepare yourself to have even bigger dumps. Is this the bear or bull market? Well, it's definitely not bull market right now, that I can tell you. So what if this is some kind of consolidation or bear market? We can argue with that. Don't panic, relax, fake crash. Should I sell the pennies that are left in my portfolio, or should I stay in this Red Sea and die? Don't die, man. It's good to be alive. VeChain, any prediction for the long term? Sorry, man, I cannot give. You know, I tried to make some videos today, and I was finding some kind of a bullish scenarios for a couple of things. You know, the hope was that Bitcoin might actually pull the market a little bit up tomorrow, but then like everything went through the you know what once the market started going down. Isn't the crash affected by China banning crypto and finance? I don't think so. I think just manipulate the crash. It doesn't help. Then China is the China fund is real, but I think it's already good. Ethereum Classic is actually dropping hard as well. Where is Ethereum Classic? Like, doesn't matter what I open, it's minus 30% down. It's looking for, it's broke all supports. It just liquidate everybody that was long is right now liquidated, 100% liquidated. There's no way anybody can survive this kind of dump. So all leveraged long are right now liquidated. So only people left in are shorters. And when you liquidate leveraged longs, then they turn around on you and they go short. So now you have even more selling pressure, and then you scare other people. So you have people panic, and then you have even more selling pressure. You know. So that's, wow, that was high. Sorry about your ears, guys. Okay guys, one last time, hit the like button before we close the stream. 1 hour stream, I gotta go do stuff, you know, I gotta eat, gotta survive. Thanks everybody for being here. Hit the like button, write down in the comments, help me with the watch time. Thanks everybody for being here. I know it's panic selling and stuff like that. It's terrible times, but you know, people get through this. Bear markets don't last forever. There are always hopes and stuff like that. Right now we are hoping that we might actually bounce a little bit up. Anyways, you guys have made this really enjoyable stream. 1,500 people at most. It was quite nice. I have never had this much on a stream ever before. I know it's everything is bleeding and you're not having that much fun, but you know, when you get to this point, yeah, there is no other things to do than you know, relax and try to be calm about it, you know. So thank you for joining the stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody being here. Check out the links below. Check out the if you're not in our Telegram group, check out the Telegram group, guys. We got like 4,000 members. It's a pretty nice bunch of people. Join that. Anyways, I'm off. See you around, guys. And can you turn music off? Yeah, I will turn the stream off. Anyways, enjoy, guys. See you around. Bye bye. Where's the stop button?